Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I really hope you all are doing great. I know it's been quite a long time now since I was active here, and thanks to everyone for showering your love and keeping in touch on Instagram and making sure that I was okay and I'll be back soon. So as promised, I'm back, and inshallah hope this time I would at least post a recipe every week. And this time you'll also find some simple and basic everyday cooking, and this comes the recipe here of drumstick leaves in a very simple way. So do try it out, guys. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming uploads. And ingredients will be given in the description box below, so do check it out from there, as this time I would not be showing the video of the ingredients. So here, let me show. This is the drumstick leaves, which is also called Moringa, and it's something very healthy and it has several benefits. I would maybe somewhere list the benefits too. And here you can see in a pot I have taken the drumstick leaves, which was a very big bunch actually, and adding a very small sliced onion, half a tomato, one green chili, and here comes salt, and a magic ingredient here is half teaspoon of sugar. You can also add a pinch. This is my granny's tip. Whichever vegetable she cooked like this, she always added. She makes sure to add the sugar. She says it gives the best taste. So do try it out. And here I have also added a quarter cup of water also. And here you can see I have left it to cook for 5 minutes, and then just checked it had to cook a little more, and now I'm adding half cup of freshly grated coconut. South Indians, there's no sabzi without fresh coconut and some coconut oil, so you can see both of them here. And this is a very simple basic recipe which you can make with any of the greens or even any vegetable. And now in another 5 minutes the drumstick leaves were ready, and let's give some seasoning. That's tadka with some coconut oil, along with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 cloves garlic crushed, and curry leaves. Here I add them, just close the lid so that the flavor still stays along, and mix it well. And here is your yummy drumstick leaf or moringa sabzi ready. And here in Kannada language, our local language, we call this as Palya, and maybe poriyal in Malayalam. Correct me if I'm wrong. So do try it out, guys. And let me give you also some extra points. You can also soak and cook some moong dal and add it to this. It would taste delicious too. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures you have tried from my channel. I'd really love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag there on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. And I hope you all have subscribed the channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.